Hello, would you organize me a taxi for tomorrow afternoon?
That will be no problem. Where do you want the taxi to take you?
Well, I have to be at a business conference for 2 o'clock at the Regent's Hotel. I'm hoping that it is not very far away from here.
No. It's only a 20-minute drive from this hotel, and you will be fine as the traffic is very quiet at that time.
Then 1:30 will be fine. No! Make it 1:15 to be on the safe side. Book the taxi for 1:15 in the afternoon, please.
Okay, I will make booking right away for you.
Thank you for your help. And please tell the taxi company to make sure the taxi arrives by 1:15, as that will leave me plenty of time.
Would you like me to order a taxi for when you return?
That's a great idea. Could make sure the taxi waiting for me outside for 9 o'clock.
Don't worry, we'll take care of that.
Good afternoon. Hello, Mr. William. I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor as soon as possible, please.
I'm sorry, the doctor is very busy today, but he is free this tomorrow morning. Is 8 a.m. all right for you?
Yes, that is fine, thanks. I will there for 8 a.m. Thank you for your time.
You are welcome. See you tomorrow.
Hey, Oscar. Take a look at those desserts, they look so good. How about baking a cake when we get home? Yes, that's a brilliant idea. We better buy some ingredients then, while we are here. Okay, do you know what we need to bake a cake? The recipe I use calls for flour, sugar, icing sugar and butter. Oh, I nearly forgot. And we also need some eggs and chocolate chips and a chocolate flake to sprinkle on top. Well, you get the dairy ingredients. Here is the dairy products. You'll find them in the refrigerated section in aisle 16 and 17, which is next to the frozen section. I'll get all the other ingredients, as they're in aisle 6. Great! Then, let's meet at the checkout. I'm so looking forward to baking this cake now.